Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram can't see story viewers problem. First, you'll need to go into your Play Store and you're going to search for Instagram. As you want to check if there's an update out for the app, as you can see there's currently an update out. You will simply tap on update, and after you have updated the app, you're going to open it and check if it is working now. And if it is still not working, what I recommend you do is go into your settings right here. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select apps. After you have selected apps, you're going to tap on the search icon in the top right hand corner and you're going to search for Instagram. And once you have found Instagram, you're going to tap on it. Then you want to select force stop and you're going to tap on storage. And from here, you're going to tap on clear data and clear cache. And now that you have done that, you're going to go in again into the app and check if it is working properly now. More than likely it will be working properly, but if it still isn't, what I would recommend you do is uninstall the app and reinstall it. And you also want to check if you're connected to internet. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.